Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is my first installment of my 2-minute tip series. In this series, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys just some little tips and tricks to help your makeup be even more flawless when you're getting ready. But I'm going to do this quick style so it doesn't take up a whole lot of your time. I'm going to try to keep it under 2 minutes every single time, hence the name. So for today's, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the most out of your setting spray. And by that I mean you normally spray on your setting spray, right? And you just kind of let it sink in. You might kind of fan it down a little bit. But this method I actually saw from a couple other YouTubers, and they actually pat the setting spray into the skin because that does help to get rid of any powderiness that you might have. So on a normal day, if I'm just getting ready, I'll just use one setting spray, and I'll try to use a more hydrating setting spray like the Sheer Envy Primer Mist by Hard Candy. But then on the days I'm kind of being more extra, I might use two, but you can just use whatever you want to use, whatever you have on hand. So I first like to go in with an actual like facial spray, not really a setting spray. And this one is by Badescu. You guys know I love this one. And then I go in with an actual setting spray that will make my makeup last longer. This one's by Milani. It's their Make It Last. So let me show you guys what I mean. You can either use a little puff like this guy right here that you can just pat it in, or you can use a beauty blender or a beauty sponge. I'll use this one. It's dirty because I just used it to do my makeup, but let me show you guys what I mean. So I take the facial spray first and I just spray it on like this, and then while it's damp I'm just gonna pat it in. And you don't want to pat too hard because you don't want to ever accidentally remove any of the makeup that you've placed down, because if you push too hard you do risk that. And then I do the exact same thing with the actual setting spray. I'll show you guys this one with a puff. So with the puff, I just kind of press it in. And I do like to do this with a damp sponge, but you can do it with a dry puff, because the puff is normally a little bit more bouncy than a sponge is when it's not damp. So yeah, I just think that helps the skin to look a little bit more glowy. It really presses it in and melts everything together, and it just helps the skin to look extra flawless. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.